when your leaves whirl. Behold at your children, their love will always strengthen. You will last on an eternity with the world's fraternity. Haiti, your city's gone. Thank God He brings the dawn. Haiti lies has sadly shadowed memories and love echoes. St. Paul of liberty, let there be true unity. Through the mountain our song has been won. Sing your song, He's on His throne. You set me free, you instill pride in me. Haiti, you are close to my heart, and you will never depart. Glorious days I have seen, we applaud you, gracious Queen. Your resiliency eases my fears, your grace wipes away my tears. Haiti, I thank you, God, broken and not beyond. Haiti, gratitude to your friends. United world is your trend. Climbing this steep mountain, stay strong, God is still so